Today, Artbox. I want to take you on a journey to one of the most breathtaking natural wonders on Earth. Niagara Falls, this iconic landmark, straddling the border between the United States and Canada, has captured the hearts and imaginations of millions of people worldwide. Niagara Falls is actually a collective name for three waterfalls: the Horseshoe Falls, the American Falls, and the Bridal Veil Falls. These majestic falls are located on the Niagara River, which drains Lake Erie into Lake Ontario. The falls are not only a sight to behold, but also a symbol of the incredible power and beauty of nature. The largest and most famous of the three falls is the Horseshoe Falls, which is located on the Canadian side. It gets its name from its distinctive shape, resembling a horseshoe. The Horseshoe Falls stands at an impressive 167 feet, 51 meters in height, and stretches over 2,600 feet, 792 meters in width. The sheer volume of water pouring over the edge is mind-boggling, with an average of about 85,000 cubic feet per second on the American side. You'll find the American Fall. While they are not as massive as the Horseshoe Falls, they are still a remarkable sight to behold. The American Falls drop about 70 feet, 21 meters. And the Bridal Veil Falls is the smallest of the three. The history of Niagara Falls is as rich and fascinating as the falls themselves. Native American tribes, such as the Seneca and Iroquois, regarded this place as sacred and believed it was a source of great spiritual power. In the 17th century, European explorers like Father Louis Hennepin brought international attention to the falls. It became a popular tourist destination in the 19th century and was even visited by dignitaries and royalty, including Queen Victoria. Thank you for those who watched the Artbox of Mora Story. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment until I join you with another latest story.